What's up folks, Mike here at Welling Watches again. Another quick short video today. Just sometimes when you need to get a glass out of a watch case to make corrections or adjustments to the case, you don't always have the right die to get the glass out nice and safely without damaging it. So this is where it really pays to have a half decent lathe where you can make one up using some Delrin. So that's what we're doing today, just making this quick die. And hopefully this will work well for the watch case that I'm working on. So I just need to get this to 40.2 internal diameter, give it a clean up, and then part it off, and we're good to go. I'll show you the end result in another short video soon.